You might think you know roosters, wake-up calls, flamboyant feathers, and that iconic cock-a-doodle-doo. But did you know roosters can actually be trained to recognize over 30 individual faces? Yep, even yours. These sharp-eyed birds rely on facial recognition to navigate social dynamics within their flock. It's not just instinct, it's poultry politics. They remember who's friend, who's rival, and who snuck the last bite of feed. Every beak and brow is stored in their surprisingly powerful memory. Scientists believe this helps reduce conflict and keep the pecking order, well, pecking smoothly. So next time you lock eyes with a rooster, just know he probably knows exactly who you are.